Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are gonna cover how to use Revolve Cut feature. So this is pretty similar with Extruded Cut, but again this is revolved, so we need to select the axis of revolution where we want to cut. So let's go into the SolidWorks and let's see how it works. So right now, as you can see, I have two bodies here. So what I can do is like I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select a plane. Suppose I want to select a right plane, and then I'm gonna go into the sketch, and then I'm gonna go into the normal view. So what I want to do is I want to have a circle here. So I want to have my first circle here, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the tab menus, into the feature, and here is our feature into the ribbon section, which is Revolve Cut. So I'm gonna go into the Revolve Cut, but maybe it could be very nice if I'm gonna just show you as an example, and I should cut it with Extruded Cut first, and then I'm gonna cut it with Revolve Cut. So in that way you can see the difference. So let's go with the Extruded Cut. So Extruded Cut for this, and you can see like as soon as I click the Extruded Cut, so then I need to select the direction, and then if I want to go into the both directions, so what I can do is I can click the direction 2 as well, and I can go into these option and I can choose as a mid plane. So in this way I can get cut into both directions by using a mid plane option, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So this is gonna cut it like this. So let's go again into the normal view. So as you can see, like this is gonna cut it very straight, and this is like Extruded Cut, as you can see here. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, so keep this in mind, and now I'm gonna edit the feature and I'm gonna cut this same with Revolved Cut feature. So let's delete this Extruded Cut. Yes, delete. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply Revolve Cut feature. So again, I am into the features, into the ribbon section. Let's go and have a revolve feature. But before revolve feature, as I already mentioned, like for the revolve feature, we need to have an axis of rotation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the sketch, edit sketch, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a center line here at the origin, which I'm gonna use as an axis for revolve cut. So if you want to go out of the command, you can press escape and then you can exit the sketch. Okay, so right now I have my sketch. I'm gonna go back into the features, and then I'm gonna go into the Revolve Cut. I'm gonna go here into the sketch, now into the features and Revolve Cut, and as soon you can see like we have only the one axis of revolution, so it is automatically selected. If we have multiple, then we need to select axis of revolution here. So right now I am into the sketch, into the Revolve Cut feature. As you can see, like it's gonna cut whatever things are coming into the way. So there is an option, like you can see into the feature scope, we can select all bodies or only the selected body. So right now we are gonna go with only selected bodies. So it's gonna cut it like here. Okay, I'm gonna click the green check mark. So this is a difference. I'm gonna go again into the normal view, so maybe it's more clear. As you can see, this is the difference. So we already cut this by using Extruded Cut in the previous step. Now we have cut it with the Revolve Cut, so it is not a straight cut, it is revolving around this body. Okay, what I want to have next is I want to go into this feature, into the tiny triangle, and then I'm gonna go into the sketch, and I want to edit this sketch, and I want to add a tiny triangle here. So like this, I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then I am gonna exit the sketch as a sketch, and then I'm gonna exit the sketch. So I was expecting like it should cut it like this, but maybe you guys are also expecting. But the thing is, like for this revolved cut, we only selected the active body. We did not select the all body. So what we need to do is, we already have a sketch, but it's not gonna cut it from here because we need to edit the revolve cut feature. And here, look at that, we were just revolving cut around the selected body, but we have two sketches now. And if I'm gonna select the all bodies here, so what it's gonna do is, now it's gonna cut this body as well. Now I need to click the green check mark. So in this way, look at that, like we can have another revolve cut into another body as well. And next what I want to do is, I just want to go back into the revolve cut feature and edit feature. And right now, as you can see, we were using like 360 degrees for the both bodies and the both sketches. So what if we want to have some specific degree revolve cut? Suppose I want to have 30-degree revolve cut. So it can be in one direction. If you want to switch the direction, you can see it is into the right direction. If you want to switch the direction, you can go there and then you can switch the direction as well. Or if you want to increase, let's say 40-degree, so we can just have a revolve cut of 40-degree as well. So let's click the green check mark. So in this way, look at that, we have this revolve cut for the 40-degree according to the axis of revolution. So in this way, what we can do is, if you want to have a revolve cut on both sides, you already know, like you can just mark the direction too as well. So what you want to do is, you would have the revolve cut on the both directions as well. So there are multiple things, and these are the pretty similar options which we already saw in extruded cut, extruded boss or base, or revolve cut or revolve boss or base as well. So this is how you are going to use revolve cut feature for different bodies. And you are not going to use this in a lot of your designs, but whenever you feel like you have a requirement to use such kind of feature, so you can use in your designs. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.